My dear friends, sisters and brothers everywhere beyond the casteism, racialism, color, my love and my regards to everyone. Today, the very important topics as my YouTube channel is literary creation. The very important things about which man is in diverse opinions and in the word of enlightenment and civilized, I think millions and millions people do not understand, and because of it, after the glowing knowledge everywhere in the world, across the world, we see the man is suffering from a kind of uncured depression, anxiety, and trauma-like situation. And my dear one, my topic is today life. And we say in Hindi, Jivan, and in Arabic, al-hayat. And second thing, time, samay, al-waqt, knowledge, gyan, al-ilm, mind, manav, insan, death, maut. My dear one, you should know every person who is highly educated is the responsibility of the every knowledgeable person, teacher, professor, lecturer, and doctor to make the life so easy. Because today the life of the peace in the life is disappearing. There is no tranquility, no love, no mutual cooperation. Dear one, life. What is the life? Why I want to lecture you, I want to deliver the opinion that was described at the various mode of the history by the great mind. I'm not going to the backs, but I'm going at the time with William Shakespeare, the great scholar, the eminent Nightingale, whom everyone appreciate because of unique brain, but in the word of Dr. Johnson, a comprehensive soul. He said about the life, in one of his drama, it is a tale told by an Eliot. When I got to the point and I tried to peep into the mind of the Shakespeare, I become so astonished that great man could not understand life. My dear one, it is because after him, Freud and Darwin's came in the world and they changed the shape of the Europe. And because of this, the world is slowly and slowly going to them. And peace, mutual cooperation, love, and tranquility are disappearing. My dear one, knowledge and life are very, very deeply coin each other, and they are with the time. And man is to die. Everybody who has come on these planets is bound to die. So we should understand the life. So the book that is sent by the God and revealed on Prophet Muhammad, it is not for the Muslim. In the Surah Baqarah, Allah says, Hudan lil alameen, and Prophet Muhammad, Rahmatul lil alameen. In the Surah Kahf, Allah says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, awla unabbikum bil akhsarina amala, alladhina dhalla sa'yuhum fil hayati dunya wa hum yahsabuna annahum yahsinuna sun'a. ए नबी, क्या मैं बताना दूं इस दुनिया में सबसे घाटे में कौन लोग हैं? वो लोग हैं जो लोग सुबह और शाम सिर्फ दौलत के लिए, दुनिया के लिए दौड़ते हैं और उसके बाद ये समझते हैं कि हमने तीर मार लिया. And I can't tell you who are more in peril and dangers, in loss, those who are running from dawn to dusk to achieve the life, and after that the things that they are prosperous, rich, and happy. My dear one, see it. It is my knowledge that I have got after swimming in the literary work of the great mind everywhere, in Arabic word, English and Hindi and Urdu. I have come to feel and it is a reality you can't deny. Love and peace and happiness, that is a tonic for the heart, is not in the palace, not in the excess money, but it is only achieved and get when you relate your heart to the Creator, the Sustainer, who is more merciful, hardy time forgive, but we commit crime. So those who are political leaders across the world, bureaucrat, highly qualified, professor and lecturer, innovator and propagator, I point to them to make this world in balance by their own loving speech and by shaping their life on the equal. But what is the meaning of democracy? Equality, fraternity, and brotherhood. And if you are not going to shape the world just like this, and after that we are supporting democracy, I think we are going to kill the dream of William Goodwin, the great mind, the writer of the great book, Political Justice, and the Rousseau. So I want to tell you, and it is my own idea, how I'm so painful when I see the people who are highly educated and they are rich, wealthy, but they are suffering from the anemia and sometimes suffering from the depression. They are searching someone who can console. My dear one, we are alien on this world. We have been compelled from the earth, from the paradise. Paradise is the peace of happiness, joy, and youth that never end. That is why I say for myself and for you, after understanding life, पत्थर के इन महलों से मैं बेजार बहुत हूँ, मेरे लिए तुम कूख एक जंगल में बना दो, मास्टर शाह आलम आदमी. Thank you so much.